How to create a new folder in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook. On the left side, you will find your email address. Simply click on it. And beside that, you'll find three dots. Click on the three dots. After you have clicked on the three dots, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Create New Folder. Then add name to your new folder. After you have added the name, press on the tick mark, which will save the folder. Now you have created a new folder. Click on the three dots beside it and you will find all these options. You can change anything you want. And if you want to delete, what you can do is click on delete, which is below move in this option. Then press on OK to delete and the folder will be deleted. This is how to create a new folder in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.